Hello, my name is Sharon Fitzpatrick and welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle with Sharon. Really delighted to show you this lovely recipe of these potato cakes or potato balls, whatever you want to call them. They are so nice, full of flavour, and the crispy outer part of it is just so nice and crunchy with this lovely soft potato filling inside, and they're so nice. Now I've made these potato ball shapes, but you can change the shape and make whatever shape you like. Have a bit of fun with it. If you like the video, do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe and don't forget to comment, say hello. I'd love to hear from you, and tell your friends about it and share it on social media. Thanks for watching. The ingredients for this is some mashed potatoes, some flour, some egg, breadcrumbs, spring onions and cheese. And then you just need to put some pepper into your eggs, your flour and your breadcrumbs, and salt in each one of those. And then just give the eggs a whisk and your flour a mix and your breadcrumbs a mix. Now you need to set up your breading station of flour, egg and breadcrumbs. Then you get a handful of mashed potatoes and you just squash it together into your hand to make a rough ball shape. You can do this hot or cold, but it is easier to mould the potatoes when they're slightly warm. And to be a little bit more accurate with the right size, you can weigh them, so they'd be 90 grams. That would give you a good size potato ball. So you dip your potato ball in flour, then you dip it into your egg and just use one hand so that it frees the other hand up, so that other hand is not all messy. Now get a handful of breadcrumbs with the other hand and then place them all over the ball. It just saves getting the two hands messy. And then just throw the ball around in the breadcrumb mixture. So you just weigh out your 90 grams of potato, put it in a bowl, put your spring onions in, mix it around. And this is another idea for the potato ball, is to have the potato and spring onions. They go really nice together. So just squash it in your hands. It's a little bit more tricky when you've got the spring onion, but the potato will stick to it. Just keep putting it back into the bowl and it will bring all the onions up. So dip it in your flour, dip it in your egg, get a handful of breadcrumbs, then put your ball in and then sprinkle it over the top. And then you repeat this to get a nice breadcrumb coating. A double coating, it just makes it extra crispy. Now your potatoes do need to be warm for if you're adding cheese in it, and you just put the cheese in, push your spoon down and mix it around, and so the cheese all melts into the potato. Once all the cheese is melted in, then you can pick it up and put it into your bowl shape. Now for my favourite, which is cheese and spring onion together. So you just do as you did before with the cheese, melt it into a nice warm potato, and then you just add your spring onion and make your bowl ready for another dipping of the breadcrumbs. Right, so I've got some cooking oil here, about 3/4 up into a deep pot. I put just a little bit of a potato, any old bit of potato, and as soon as it starts bubbling when it's in there, then you know it's hot enough. So I'll just take this out now. So I'm going to take our potato ball and place it into the hot oil. So as it's cooking, just slightly get something just to move it around so it's not cooking all in one place at the bottom, and it cooks more evenly. As you can see, this is cooking nicely on the outside. Be very careful when you're doing this. Do it nice and slowly because you don't want to splash. You see how nicely this is looking? I'll just give it another minute and then I'll take it out. I'm just going to take this out and put it on some kitchen roll to drain. So I'm just going to take one of the plain ones. This is the plain one. Just cut it in half. You can see how nice this looks. Looks really tasty. And that's your lovely potato bowl. I'm just going to put this in the bowl here. And I'm going to do another one. So this one, if I remember right, is the spring onion one. Look how, I just love the look of these. They're just great. You can eat them on their own or you can eat them with something. Great party food. Look at that. Lovely spring onion. Of course, you can put other fillings in this. If you've got any ideas for other fillings, please let me know in the comments below. This one is plain cheese. So again, cut it in half. Oh no, this is the cheese and onion. Oh wow, this is my favourite. I'm looking forward to trying that one. And then I think this is the plain cheese. So look at the lovely gooey cheese coming out of that when I've tried to cut it. Oh, lovely. Very nice. So there's a lovely selection here, but my favourite, as I said, I was looking forward to trying was the cheese and spring onion. So that's what I'm going to try. I'm just going to pick it up and bite it. Really nice. It's got that lovely crispiness on the outside, perfect flavour. You could add some spices to the crispy bit outside, or you can just leave it plain like I did with salt and pepper. And the taste of the cheese and the onion together with the potato is really nice. Great combination. So if you like the video and you'd like to see me do more things to show you, do give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel grow. Make a comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and tell your friends about it and share it on social media. So thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to doing another video for you.